if you make short form content to attract clients into your business, whether it be coaching, consulting, an agency, a program, whatever, you've probably tried to use ManyChat in your videos to generate leads. Or if you haven't tried at all, you've probably heard something like this: comment the word blah 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 or whatever to receive a free lead magnet or a freebie at the end of a lot of people's videos. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you the best place to put that CTA to get the highest conversions possible. In fact, creators like Devin Jato and Tuza actively use the CTA method to generate hundreds and thousands of qualified leads for their businesses. Imagine if that was you. Well, that will be you after this video, so pay attention. Okay. Placing CTAs in short form content. How do you do it? Don't worry, I'm going to show you. I am going to guide you through this step by step. Don't worry. Okay, let's get started. Okay, how most of us do it. This is how exactly most of us do it. Most of us make the video, make the short form content video, make that piece of content. Then we put the CTA at the end of the video. Like comment after we're done giving all of the value, we put the CTA at the end of a video. At the end of our video, like comment the word blah 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 to receive a free guide or a free Notion document or the ChatGPT prompt, whatever. That is absolutely wrong. That is wrong. Don't do that. It's wrong for two reasons. First, most people actually don't get that far. Like in your videos, a lot of people don't watch to the end of your videos. In fact, look at this. This is one of my recent short form content pieces. Look at the retention here. Look. If I put my CTA at the end here, how many people would have seen it and chosen that, oh, okay, I actually need that? But no, they wouldn't even see it to begin with. So when you put it at the end, it's wrong. And also, you paid for the ManyChat subscription. Don't you want to make the most out of it? Like, don't you want to squeeze every bit of value out of that $15 ManyChat subscription? Well, I do. If you do, well, pay attention. Let's continue. So instead of putting your CTA at the end of your video, do this. Use something called a mid-roll CTA. By using a mid-roll CTA, you will at least get 100 to 200% more leads, i.e. 100 to 200% more people will comment for your lead magnet. Imagine what that will do for your business on Instagram. And also, by using a mid-roll CTA, a lot of people will comment on your post, which will just cause Instagram to push out your content more because people are actually engaging with it. And lastly, you will actually get what you want. More leads for your business. That's why we started making content. And that's what we will stick to. More leads for a business. So now that you understand why you should use a mid-roll CTA, some of you will be like, that's all nice and well said, Nathan, but what the fuck is a mid-roll CTA? Well, instead of placing your CTA at the end of your video, you put it right after the hook, or someplace where the retention is the highest. Like, look at this. Look at this. The normal way people put their CTAs, the normal way is this at the end of their videos. Look at that. 17%. Like 17% of the people who started that video will actually reach the end to hear your call to action, which is very, very low if you ask me. 17%? Nah, fam. But the G way of using a CTA in short form content is this way. Look at this. Putting it right here, where the retention is the highest. That's the best place to put your call to action, where the retention is the highest. Well, some of you will be like, well, Nathan, how do I put my CTA someplace where the retention is high? Reasonably. Well, don't worry, I'll show you. Chillax. Well, before I show you, let's examine two videos that use mid-roll CTAs. One from Tuza and one from Devin Jatho, the goats of business with short form content.
This guy makes $1 million buckaroonies a month just from one of his companies. This is how we're going to steal it together. First, this company is called Alphalete, an athletic wear company that blew up through fitness TikTok influencers. Step 1, go to Import Yeti. This company will show you their exact supplier. Next, let's see how much it costs them per item. Damn, just a couple bucks. Step 2, find an agent that will ship all of the products from the manufacturer straight to your customer every single time you get an order. No upfront inventory needed, and they'll print the logo on the product for you. If you want access to the ones that I use for my own companies, become an agent, and I'll send you over my personal list.
Did you see that? comment agent, and I'll send you over my personal list. That right there is a mid-roll CTA. That is in the middle of the video. He didn't wait till the end. He put it where the retention was probably the highest for in his videos. That's what you call a mid-roll CTA. So let's look at Devin Jato's how Devin Jato uses his mid-roll CTA in his videos.
If you need content ideas for TikToks or Instagram Reels, don't be a dumbass and ask ChatGPT, can you give me 10 content ideas? That's horrible. Let me put you on game and teach you how to use ChatGPT correctly to get viral content ideas. Right now, there are 800 million YouTube videos to steal ideas from, and that's exactly what we're going to do using AI. Head over to YouTube and search for a video within your industry. Once you find a YouTube video that you like, go ahead and copy that video's link and head over to YouTubeTranscript.com and paste in that video. What this will do is it will give you the entire transcript of that YouTube video. But hold on, we're not done. Go ahead and copy the transcript at the bottom left and then head over to ChatGPT. And don't fuck this part up. ChatGPT. Okay, it's a long prompt. You can either screenshot this or just comment the word wallet and I'll just send it over to you.
That right there is a mid-roll CTA. See where you put the CTA? In the middle of in the middle of his videos, where the retention is probably highest. And if you commented the word wallet in his videos, he would have probably tried to like collect your email, or I don't know, maybe give you the prompts for free, or try to sell you something. He's generated leads, a shit ton of leads with that mid-roll CTA. Imagine if he had put it at the end. Not everybody. Most people will not watch till the end. The same thing goes for Tuzo. Most people will not watch till the end of his videos. So I hope you noticed the pattern there in these two videos. But if you haven't, that's absolutely fine. Don't worry. By the way, if you have any questions whatsoever, you can ask me directly on my WhatsApp group down below. So let's continue. Let's see how you can actually incorporate a mid-roll CTA in your videos reasonably. Okay, so if you notice the pattern back there, all of those videos were step-by-step videos. So if you want to use a mid-roll CTA, use it in a step-by-step video where you can reasonably incorporate your lead magnet as a convenience to your viewer. For example, Devin Jato with his ChatGPT prompt back there. Instead of like copying the prompt word by word as he's saying it, you can just comment the word wallet and you send it to your DMs. It's reasonably incorporated as a convenience for his viewers. Damn, that's a lot of big words. The best kind of step-by-step videos I've seen are 3-step videos. Like videos that use mid-roll CTAs, a lot of videos that use mid-roll CTAs are like 3-step videos. There's something about that number 3. It's like, I don't know, 3 like A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, sweat, blood, and tears. Like, there's something about that 3, you know what I mean? If you decide to use a mid-roll CTA for your 3-step video, don't put it at the end of your video. Put it at the beginning, the first step, or the second step. Never put it at the end. Don't put it at the end, because most people will probably get bored by then and scroll away. However, I'm telling you right now that use step-by-step videos to incorporate a mid-roll CTA. However, I've also seen people incorporate mid-roll CTAs in their story videos, in their story time videos. So if you have an interesting story to tell where you can incorporate your lead magnet reasonably, do that. If you're creative, if you have an interesting story to tell and you're creative, make sure you do that. So that is exactly how you use a mid-roll CTA to get leads for your business. If you want one-on-one help or have any questions, you can go down below and book a free call with me and I'll answer whatever questions you want. I promise you, I will not try and push you into a sale, something I genuinely want to help you. Okay then, bye bye.